All right. Good morning, everybody. So, unfortunately, I wanted to stream, but there's some shit I have to figure out. Turn off Pokedex here. So, I'm not. I am not gonna be streaming today. Just gonna be trading, because I don't want to miss out, and I'm trying to make it to a payment, my first ever payment. Try to be consistent. We're getting this short signal on the ES. That one's clean. The signals for the Nasdaq are not clean. This 5800 level. Okay, what time is it? Okay, so we might enter a position at 33, but I am short biased right now. I am short biased. These signals are not clean, and unfortunately, my rules dictate that I don't take positions when they're within 3 candles. But this 7:30 is such an important time in the market. It's almost like my 7:33 signal doesn't count. You know, I'm seeing this 5800 level, right? And I want to short this. I want to, but I'm going to wait for a signal candle before I do that. So we are trading performance evaluation. Man, look at this. We do have an economic data release at, what is it? 8 a.m. today, 8 a.m. If we come up to this, so now this signal looks like it's reverse polarity. This signal looks clean. Coming up to this 800 level at 33. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, we're down. I do feel like shorting this. I gotta do it now. But fuck, too late, eh? Oh no, could get in. Okay, we're in. It's a inverted position. Where's my other take profit? Oh no. So I have to do this sell limit. Buy limit, sorry. Here. Buy limit here. So yeah, our hoping for a reversal here. But we are playing with half our usual position. And yeah, with reduced risk. It's a clean entry, especially since we got in late. And my rules dictate I shouldn't be doing this, but you know what? It's just the signal candles that we're getting after this. I'm expecting choppy price action. Look, we're pretty much range bound. Where's my crosshairs, man? Pretty much range bound here. I think for the sake of safety. Oh, I just got out with my full size, guys. My bad. Okay, well, we're waiting for the next signal candle now because that was a big mess up. Anyways, this should be 2 take profits at 2 contracts, right? That was my first mistake. So this you make mistakes trading, guys. Especially when you're trying to get a stream set up. Like my original plan was to be streaming right now. But I don't have it all configured yet. I have to do a little demo later today. And just get it all ready. So we're just gonna upload this video after the session's over. And yeah. So that was the right decision here because we've come all the way back. Our stop was here. So we would have been out flat. And we would have only made half of this. So that does seem like it was the right decision. But here we're coming up to 39. Part of me is saying don't do it, but this will result in a win most of the time, statistically. So, got to fight our preconceptions sometimes. We are getting where's my crosshair again? There's a buy signal on the ES at 742. But if you see, they're not exactly correlated. They are very similar. So we could, yeah. Oh, look at that push. Okay, so now we've broken out of our opening range. I do expect a rejection here at 39. Look at it's probably going to come all the way up to this level and reject. If it does, I'm shorting this sucker with full size for contracts, maybe. Okay. 39, looking for the rejection, and we're just in and out. Bit of a scalpy day. We might not make it there in time. Let me just check the 1 minute, see what we're doing. Sell time in the 1. Our key level's at 15,850. I'd like to see it push all the way up there, and then we just top ticket. And then in which case I'm taking sell. So can we make it $30? Sorry, $20 up to that next level. And look at the ES. The ES is doing like nothing right now. Crazy. So typically these follow each other, right? But within the volatility of the market, they differ. But generally they go to the same places, right? So didn't really make it to our destination there. We got 30 seconds left. This is such a strong move up. I am tempted to just take the short in 30 seconds, full size, okay? Ready? This could be a full loss. Boom. We're in. Stop is right way up here. That's not too great. And we are in. So look, we're immediately down. That's going to happen. Right? And in case this is a full loss, we're allowed to re-enter one time if we reject this level and we're holding. So, oh, my bad. So let's see what happens. Just looking for a push down to around 50%, then we're out. Stop, break even. 42 is coming up. That's a push up. Not favorable. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Long term, we are profitable. Could be a flat day, guys. We're getting stuck at this level here. So that is very. So you would see that, and you go, oh, we might be going up. We might be continuing up, right? And then this signal could just be completely invalid altogether, and that we are supposed to go up at 7:30. But now we're coming down. We are below this high. We're kind of holding. If we close below this high, That's going to be the real indicator. I think we're going to close below. Look at where the ES is. It's coming up. So we could see a push right down into 42. Holding here. I think I'm going to get out, guys. Oh, no. Do I hold it? 42's coming up, guys. Take my 60 and walk, boy. Now we're safe. So I'm going to hold this for as long as possible now. I don't care if we end up flat on it. We should close below. Yeah, we're coming. It's going to take me out, boys. Should I lock in a couple ticks? I'll lock in a couple ticks just so it doesn't hurt my feelings. All right, only $85 right now. So we're at 42. See what happens here. Whole lot of nothing. Now we're getting resistance there, but oh yeah, I spoke too early. You know, not a huge fan of these signals because they're all bunched together, right? Like I just don't know what's going on today. It might be big nut, like jolts might have more economic weight today than what Kano Day anticipates. They just said, oh, it merits extra attention, but typically, you know, the market will wait to pick a direction if it's going to trend until after these announcements. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until 8. Look at this level. I would short this and then give myself half risk because this is going to be strong resistance. The other thing too, guys, is that we have not taken out this yearly high yet. We have not come up to this level yet. And that should happen. That should happen. So I think between now and the new year, we should set a new yearly high. I think that's my guess. I gotta shut this video down at 8 and leave work. I was not anticipating today to be a clean day anyway, so I could see ahead of time that my Nasdaq signals were all bunched together. You know, this is within 9 minutes. This is within 9 minutes. I just don't know what's going on. This is within 9 minutes. Our first clean signal's at 9 before jolt. So I might, yeah. And even that is the first clean signal line. But turn. So yeah, 9:15 is our first clean signal. 9:15. I gotta be at work, guys, so it's unfortunate. Look at this. Right back to the 50%. Now we're rejecting. Bingo. Like technically, if we were going to hold this trade, we'd still be in it because we didn't make it down to our profit target. So we'd still be in with full size risk. And then we'd be waiting. So this could just be some trickery though. Make it look like it's going to engulf this entire candle and send it the other way. A nice fat trade would have been a long off 58. Look at that. But too bad our signals weren't good today. Sometimes the strategy is just out of phase with the market, you know? Happens. But I don't sweat it. Test. So we got 15 minutes pretty much until the next signal. So I'm going to wait and watch and see what happens at 57. Look at this clean 742 signal. I should have been trading the ES this morning, guys. But I am focused on the NQ because this one pays out. The NQ pays out like crazy. Look at this. So in the original Back to the Future strategy, I think his name's Michael. Yep, that's his name. So his strategy is if we're in a signal and this level gets taken out, you're allowed, he calls it a puncture trade. So if we puncture this ATR value, we get in here long in the opposite direction of the candle because this is wrong. We get in long here. Our stop goes below, a couple ticks below the puncture candle. Right? And then your risk is based off of your entry above this line and your stop below there. You're just looking for 50%. But you know, I find that doing that, you can get into a lot of trouble. So you should only take one position per signal candle. Right? 1 to 2. Like say this came right back instantly, top ticked the ATR value and then shot down. Right? Typically we'll see it come tick, top ticket here, shoot down, and then it'll start to come back up and it'll start to respect this area and then it'll go in the intended direction. In that case, I'll take another position at the 50% mark, stop above or near my original stop. But this just looks like this signal was completely wrong. But we still made money, right? We still did get this push here. I did see that you always got to be wary of these psych levels, the whole numbers. $900 is just right up there, right past this high. So what we could do is this could be a resistance area. This could be an inverted signal. Come down. But I'm anticipating chop. So we came down here last night, got down off this level. This one, wow. That was yesterday, man. I missed the fuck out. Pardon my French. I really did. I should have been trading with the SMA instead of my discretion. Yeah, I see it looks like it wants to respect this, but Uh-oh. We're in trouble. So I got 10 minutes till I gotta go. So we'll see what happens at this next signal candle. I'm gonna piece it, upload the video. Dude, I freaking hate this thing. How do I turn this off? God. Should we come back to break even and they let out everybody. They give them a free pass. Come on down. The other thing too we can do. This isn't important anymore. Draw a still trend line. Straight up. Something like that. And do we respect this trend line here, or are we inverted? Because we are now at a yeah, we're kind of at a brand new high. We are at a brand new high, and we're getting a buy signal. So this could be inverted. We come down, right? This could be another push up. Forming a wedge off that E level. Again, guys, these levels essentially what I've done. Let that load. What I've done here is I've gone to the monthly chart and I've just zoomed in on all the top and bottom areas. I've marked the wicks. This means it's our monthly low, right? This is our monthly high. So I've just gone in there and I've marked all the wicks recent history, right? Including the yearly chart as well. I've done the same thing on the yearly. What's the breakout, bro? That 742 candle in the ES, man. Should have been paying attention to that. That's what that's what I might start doing. Is if the NQ is not giving us clean signals, I'll start looking at the ES. The problem is, I don't know what happened to my damn key levels. I thought I had a chart with key levels for the ES. Ooh, look at that. Breakout. Now we're coming. This is now support. That's fucking clean looking to me. The only problem is it could be inverted. So what I'm going to do, might be flat on the day today, but we have our half-size risk. I'm going to take the if we push up here blatantly and we close higher on this 3 minute, I don't want to get in front of this thing, but we are at this resistance area. I could trade it with low risk. I'll short it with low risk. We could just give back all of our profit. So and then I wait until 8:06 and then I gotta go work 5 minutes late. We got a sell at 8:06. You know what? It's low risk. I can take it. It looks like it wants to fake out, breakout. 957. But these signals aren't that good right now. So 40 seconds till we enter a sell. And we're going to be using very tight stop and tight stop. Just taking a little. Is it wrong? So now, same as always. Right there, right there. And we're not going to give back too much money on this trade. I think total. I want us to get pushed down way below this. I'm going to take it right there. Take it right there. I ain't. $124, bro. I gotta go to work, so. Not really super clean signals. I hope I'm recording right now. Could be. I'm recording the wrong fucking screen. Oh no. Oh, that would have been hilarious. I don't want to wait around for this bullshit, bro. It's coming back. Come on, bro, go. And you know what? The other thing too, I don't want to give back anything. Is I could just have it right there above this candle. And in case it comes back. Because usually these inverted signals, it takes a while for them to get going. But usually they come back to the ATR value. So we'll see. I really like it. Come down. Huge. Break out of this trend line, right? So maybe we break out of this trend line at 806. But I just don't got time to wait around for this thing to pick a direction, man. I ain't fucking. I'm out, boys. Look, it's trying. It's trying, bro. Here we go. And it's because the end of this candle is coming up. We're holding, bro. We are holding, so gonna give it minimum risk. Just hopefully we come down even further. What the fuck was that, bro? That's just what happens, bro. That's what happens. Oh my gosh, that's right. 8 a.m. There's the news release. I'm a dumbass. Oh, wow. So that means I'm taking I think this 806 short. Gonna be good. That was wild. That's why you gotta watch out. $806, bro. $806 gonna be big trade. Sorry, boss. Gonna be a little late this morning. Right up to that 59. Wow. I'm just short biased, guys. I don't know what it is. I'm short biased right now, but that's okay. That 5900. I don't know if it's going to respect this psych level that much, but that 806 looking pretty damn good. No. I'm lying here. Go right up to that 9. So this will see resistance. I almost want to short it right now, but not. Right up to our other key level. The market chopped in here for like a week. It was inside this little tiny range for like a week. So it's a really important level. I'm up to 3 more minutes till our signal candle. Now we're getting some resistance here. So that news release has fundamentally changed the market. So we could be seeing a big bullish run, a huge bull run after yesterday's very strong bear run. I think we're squeezing all the shorts right now, if there are any left. So 3 more minutes. I do like shorting this level since we are now post news, post ISM and post JOLTS announcements. Do like that idea. This whole area in here is resistance. We're getting a matching signal on the ES. Always that. They're in sync. So definitely going to short this in 2 minutes. And I could very well be wrong. Like sometimes what ends up happening is you get these short signals and the market just rips up higher. So, in that case, saying that out loud, we're just going to do a half risk trade. We're looking for 50% of our ATR only. $45 seconds. And then I got to bounce, guys. I don't know. Oh, come on. Nah, don't even. Not. Oh, man. The 5-minute candle. 805. Damn. We can still take it. This could be totally wrong, but we might see it push all the way back down here and go higher. Really wish we came up here and sell. Okay. Guys, we're only looking for, see, look what it's doing right now. Could be totally wrong. Oh. No. Big volatility. Okay. Big volatility. We're just looking for this. Is that in comparison to our 59? We're below 59. So here we're going to see some resistance here. Be utterly and completely wrong here. Okay. Thanks. We want to break this 959. And that's a very key area break. Go down. Close the first minute candle. Gonna be a green one. Break 59. Doesn't want to, man. We got strong support here, so first candle might have time to wait, bro. If we close above this level, I think I'm trying to get. It could be a loser, could be a winner. I think we're gonna start getting ready for work and let her play out and either go back to break even or make a little bit of. I don't care. All right, guys, I'm signing out. And as always, I hope everybody has a good morning. Peace.